Okay, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably from various fields, offcuts from larger stones. Rules in millimetres, materials being wetted, and the white that you're seeing there, for example, is the light reflecting off the water. We use water on the material to highlight the colours and patterns in the stone. This piece is a fine seam. It's got a natural curve in it there. That would be a triangular sort of stone perhaps. This could possibly be rubbed down a bit more, expose a bit more opal. This piece is bordering on matrix. A bit of colour in here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.